Good evening, everyone. I want to welcome you to my channel, Dollars Make Sense. And remember, on this channel, you guys will get nothing more and nothing less than videos that help you make money online, okay? So if you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Velvet Davis. I've been an online marketer since 2014, and I can honestly say that I prefer it over a 9-to-5 job, not knocking anyone who has a 9-to-5 job. It's just that when you work for yourself, you have more time freedom. You have more freedom to do certain things. So if you're new to my channel, like this video, share it, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. And today we're going to talk about one-day rewards, okay? Because I've made $2.03 on this site. The lowest cash amount on this site is $1. Okay? You can make the minimum cash out is $1 on here. Now, you guys, I know that sounds like, oh my God, $1, but $1 adds up if you do this every day. You come on here every day, make $1. Guess what? You can make two. You can cash out $1 all day long on this site. You just have to put in the work. Okay? So I'm going to show you what I do on this site to make. I'm going to show you what I did today to make this $2. Okay? So what I did was I did the ad click wall, where you click on ads. And once the page loads, you click on the image and then it'll say okay and you go back and do it again. So that's the first thing I did, okay? This is my daily routine on one-day rewards. I don't do the surveys, I just do the ad click wall. So let me show you how it works. Come on here, you let the page load. Once the page is finished loading, click on the image. And that's how you do the ad click wall. You just click on ads and let the page load, click on the image, and once it says okay, okay, that's weird. It's not saying okay. But you guys kind of get it. Normally it says okay when you're done. Okay, so that is the ad click wall. So let me take you back to the offer walls again. Once again, I also do tap research. The reason I do these is because they offer disqualification points. Okay? These are really good surveys to do. They offer 2 points every time you disqualify from one. So I would really look into doing this. Okay? This is something you should consider. So I'm going to do a cash out here so you guys can see how much I've cashed out, how much I have earned, okay? So, let's see, withdraw cash is what we need to do. Actually, let me convert my points first. I'm going to convert my points, show you guys how to do this. Okay, pay close attention. So you go to convert reward token to cash, okay? This is the top one. So I'm going to do 203.05. Convert to cash. Okay? So now I can look at my balance. I have $2.03. $2.03. Okay? So I can come over here and withdraw. Before you can withdraw, you need to convert your points to cash so you guys will be able to withdraw your points. So I've made $2.03 on this site. Scroll down here, you can redeem from GameStop, Google Play, PlayStation Store, iTunes, a Bitcoin, withdraw to Cash App. I can withdraw to Dogecoin, PayPal. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and withdraw this. So that's my email, PayPal email, and withdraw. So I've withdrawn $2.03, and my balance is now back to zero, okay? I got that today alone, just from doing paid to click and the tap research. Okay, now I'm gonna leave the referral link below. If you guys decide you want to sign up, hold on. It's hard getting this thing. There we go. If you guys decide you want to sign up, you can come on here and sign up. Okay. So One Day Rewards is a really good site. It's another Get Paid To site. And I came on here and I made $2 today. I know you guys, like $2 is nothing, but guess what? I have a ton of Get Paid To sites that I can work, and that can all add up once I'm done cashing out. This isn't the only Get Paid To site I'm a part of. Okay, I'm a part of Prize Rebel. I'm a part of InstaGC, Swagbucks. When you get paid to do a task on certain sites, like I'm a part of so many Get Paid To sites, it's crazy, you guys. Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to come on here and make that video about One Day Rewards. You can even go higher than $2. You can go to $5. You can go to $10. It does not matter how high you go. Okay, just understand you don't have to just cash out at $1. You can go higher than that. Okay, you can cash out at $15. It doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm just letting you know. Don't think that $1 is all you're allowed to cash out at. I just cashed out $2. Okay, and there is a fee. I don't know how much PayPal charges, but there is a percentage of fee that they're going to take out. Once I get that money, I'm going to show you guys the payment proof. So yeah, and also I'm gonna leave the link down low so you guys can below in the description so you can sign up with One Day Rewards. I'm also gonna leave a link below to my website. So if you guys are interested in earning even big money, like $100 and higher, then I would like for you to check out my website because it has 2 opportunities that I'm a part of. And yes, they are both paid opportunities, which means you have to pay into them to be able to join them, okay? But I really would like for you guys to just check out my website and you'll be able to, like I said, if you guys are interested, for those of you that are interested in making $100 or a bit more, check out my website because I have 2 opportunities on there that you guys can do that with, okay? Very inexpensive, and I can show you exactly, where to market it, how to market it, and what you need to do, okay? So I'm going to leave the link to my website below. I'm going to leave the link to One Day Rewards below, and I just came on here because I wanted to show you guys that I cashed out $2. I made $2 today on One Day Rewards, and I'm now going to go. I'm going to take a little break, and I'm going to start another one Get Paid To site today, and I'm going to see if I can cash out from that today as well. Okay, so I just came out here, to let you guys know that I am grinding, I am working, and that's basically it. So if you guys want to sign up with One Day Rewards, I'll leave the link below. Remember to like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. And also check out my website below if you guys are interested in making $100 or more. Okay? So if you're interested in that, I'm going to leave my website link below. You guys will be able to, learn more about that as well. And I have a video on my YouTube channel about my website. So if you guys are subscribed to my channel and you haven't seen that video, check out that video. It shows you, I talk to you about my website. I tell you what opportunities are what. I have my social media accounts on there. So if you want to, follow me on Facebook and Instagram, you can subscribe to my new YouTube channel. I have my new YouTube channel on there. You can subscribe to it as well. Okay. So that's basically it. So once again, thank you for watching this video. I hope this is helping you guys make money online. Just keep me posted on how you guys are doing, with the opportunities I'm bringing you. Because this money adds up. So every penny counts, don't forget that. And dollars make sense. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.